For the hackathon, we decided to work on a tokenized airdrop with vesting platform, inspired by Uniswap's big airdrop. Um, we wanted to kind of riff on that idea and make it possible for lots of people to do that sort of thing, while also adding a vesting component so that people that receive these tokens have a longer term kind of alignment with the token promoter or issuer. And we've kind of called these vested token airdrops vesting parties. So let's take a look at the demo here. And this is from the perspective of somebody that's going to host a party. So they'd go to the host dashboard and they'd see other parties they could browse through, but they'll also see this create a party. And it's pretty simple here. We have a spot to put a token address. I'm going to take one that I have handy here. And we just pause that. And we configure the vesting duration. Let's say we want the tokens to vest over 10 days, the cliff duration to be 1 day. This is kind of the first day where tokens start unlocking. And we also configure an amount of tokens to kind of unlock upfront for users. So if we actually made this 100%, it would be like a traditional airdrop without vesting. And then we upload a JSON file. I'm just going to upload a standard one or an example one that we have here. But essentially the file is just going to contain a mapping between addresses and amounts. And these are in hex, so we're going to make this human readable. But right now it's in hex for convenience. But we have our accounts and our balances. And then we start the party. Wait for this transaction to mine, which I'll cut out of the video. Once this transaction goes through, it'll have created kind of a party page. We won't have funded it with anything, so this will just deploy a contract. Once it's deployed, we'll have to fund it and deposit tokens. And we decided to make this a separate step in case a community that's running as a DAO or something like that wants to set up the distribution and then use like a vote or something to send tokens into the contract. We wanted to make sure